Okay, Emma, so do you like this toy? Yes or no?
Oh my, come on!
Okay guys, now we opening the Mashems.
Hi, back to my channel.
Emma, what you got today?
I don't know.
You got Monster Gutz and 2 Mashems.
Yeah,
Come in. Hi guys, welcome back to All Emma TV. If you're new to All Emma TV, welcome.
Hit that subscribe button.
Please like, subscribe, and comment. Right, Emma? What? Okay, so today Emma will be playing with Monster and 2 Mashems. My Little Pony and Ninja Turtle Mashems. Alright, Emma, let's get started. Come on, open one. Mommy gonna open one. You got it, Emma? Ooh, this looks like slime. Any day now.
I got it.
Yay!
This looks like
Oh, my
slime.
favorite color, yellow. It do look like slime. Okay, guys, so you open the bottom and you pour this inside. Oh, I don't have anything. Okay, let me put mine first, Emma, then I'll do yours. Okay? How you gonna pour this in here? Let me see.
I don't know.
Alright guys, so I got it out. Let me take out. Oh, it's like slime. Alright, let me do yours.
Okay. Do mine.
Okay, Emma, let me take yours out. This way.
I want to play the mines.
Okay, put it.
Oh, that's not
Just-
fair.
Just push it in, Emma. See mine's going in?
Mike, I'm not going in.
But you gotta put it in little by little. I'm telling you, you gotta put it in little by little, and I'm going wrong. Okay. Go in there.
Ah, slime.
Almost there. Almost. A little bit more.
Alright, that's not bad. That's not bad.
What?
That's not bad.
See, guys, you just push it. Push it.
Like it. Oh. Hey.
Okay. Let me help little Emma. Emma, you have to push it. Push. Little by little. You can't force it.
Okay.
So they have 2 others. We have Brains and Mystical. They have Frankie and Mean Skull. Okay, Emma, you ready to squeeze it and pop the eyes out? 1, 2, 3, squeeze. Oh! No, Emma, did you get yours out? No! You
got it! I got it!
You Emma squeeze it. Ew! Emma, what did you do to the eyes? Oh my god. Emma pushed, instead of squeezing the eyes out, Emma pushed the eyeballs all the way in. Oh my God. This is Emma on. Come on, let's go. Squeeze it.
Okay, go and squeeze it.
Ah, my eyes, my eyes.
Squeeze this?
Yes. Okay, Emma, so do you like this toy? Yes or no?
Oh my, come on!
Emma, do you like this toy? Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Down or up?
Up.
Emma like it. Okay guys, now we opening the Mashems.
Oh, so cute. Oh, you're so happy. Oh, I have Ninja Turtle too.
Emma got the Ninja Turtle. Okay, we gotta see which one we got.
I like this.
Okay guys, so I got Fluttershy. She's so cute. What you got, Emma?
I got Fluttershy too.
What?
I got Fluttershy too. This rush right out.
Yeah. Aren't they so cute?
What to show you? What to show you this? With that brown it.
Don't break him.
We got water sign.
They can't see the water because you're thinking it wrong. Okay, turn it. Turn it this way. No squeeze. See the water, guys? Okay, guys, so that's all we got for today. Emma, you ready to say bye-bye? All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Viva Kisses. Bye. Thank
Did you
you
blow
for watching.
kisses?
Bye.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow Emma on Twitter, Instagram, and Google+.
Bye.
Have a good one.